Welcome to a market update for the month of March 2025 for Loudoun County. We're going to start with the whole county and then break down Ashburn into the two zip codes, 20147, 20148. Let's start with Loudoun County.
Loudoun County, we had 440 new listings come on the market in February, which is huge. That is up 31.3% month over month and up 26.8% year over year.
We had 401 properties go under contract in February, which is up 48.5% month over month and also up 17.3% year over year.
285 properties closed in February, which is up 9.6% month over month and up 8% year over year.
The median sold price is $750,000, which is up 8.5% month over month and up 9.3% year over year.
The average days on market for Loudoun County in February was 19.
The average sold to original list price ratio was 100.9%, so over asking price. Now let's go on to 20147.
In the Ashburn zip code of 20147 in February, we had 75 new listings, which is up 19% month over month and up 50% year over year.
We had 62 properties go under contract in February, up 17% month over month and up 26.5% year over year.
45 properties closed in February, which is up 4.7% month over month and up 2.3% year over year.
The median sold price is $757,500, which is up 31.7% month over month and also up 15.7% year over year.
Average days on market was 12.
Average sold to original list price ratio is 101.5%. So sellers, it's time. Don't wait. Now let's go and look at 20148.
In Ashburn 20148 postal code, we had 78 new listings in February, which is up 73.3% month over month. So a lot of people listed in February and also up 50% year over year.
We had 74 properties go under contract, which is up, 117.6% month over month.
Wow.
And also up 32.1% year over year.
35 properties closed, which is down 12.5% month over month and down 12.5% year over year.
The median sold price is $809,315, which is up 5.9% month over month, but down 5.5% year over year.
Average days on market in 20148 was 24.
And the average sold to original list price ratio was 100.4%. So still getting just over asking.
We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County. If you'd like any more information, please reach out.
It's time to list your house. Give us a call.